Samprada Singh was born in a family of agriculturists in Bihar. During his high school days, India's struggle for independence had intensified, and he was instinctively drawn into this historic movement. Sri Singh drew his inspiration from his uncle, a freedom fighter, and discarded foreign textiles and chose khadi, a symbol of Swadeshi spirit, even at a tender age of 13 years. Mr. Singh's overwhelming patriotism urged him to abandon academic pursuit for a while, as he took an active plan in the year 1942 Quit India movement. He demonstrated exceptional abilities in fighting against the British rule.
Nambedatma Bhageshwar Jaganya Maya Jaganmohanim Brahma.
A day in the life of Mr. Samprada Singh starts with a morning prayer, and after that he wakes up and attends many telephonic calls before joining to the office. The meteoric rise of Alchem Laboratories Limited to a present turnover of Rs 450 crore with an aggressive field force of over 1,500 and among us the most admired pharma companies in the top 10 list is the outcome of an untiring, dedicated and committed endeavor by its principal founder, imbibing the principles of sound corporate governance and successful implementation of strategic business planning. The stupendous achievements of Alchem since its modest beginning in the year 1973, at a time when the multinational companies were ruling the roost, is solely attributed to its founder, chairman and managing director, Mr. Samprada Singh. We at Pharma Business and Technology are going to confer the Lifetime Achievement Award to Mr. Samprada Singh, and today we are featuring Alchem as a company which identifies itself as a company with a global outlook and focuses its corporate growth with an R&D based future. Undoubtedly, Samprada Singh, the navigator of the Alchem boat, has set new benchmark in corporate governance and exhibited tremendous ability in HRD management. While his vision of placing his company in the global league is yet to be achieved, we must accredit full marks to him for his intrinsic and strategic decision-making abilities, along with creating an enviable name to be reckoned with in a most complex business in the crowded branded generic markets. As a visionary, he has taken it upon himself to compete with giant multinationals, and in a bold move, he has begun investing heavily in research and development in preparation for a more challenging future. One notable change that Singh has brought about at Alchem is transforming the whole culture from a family-run conglomerate to a professional managed firm. The senior management team consists of people who have put in long innings at the Alchem and have been richly rewarded. Importantly, rather than going shopping for highly paid talent from outside, Mr. Singh has preferred homegrown professionals. Outlining the corporate policies of Alchem to place Alchem in the global map, Mr. Singh is quite optimistic and says that he is determined to take Alchem to the global map. As he says,
Alchem success is because of we have got a strong organization having a family, joint family type of organization. We treat everybody equal, and our people are dedicated for the growth of the company. We believe in empowering our people to the maximum. And there is no difference between lower and upper strata. I being the managing director of the company, I treat even those who are on the lower strata, the fourth grade employee, as our family member. I pat them, I encourage them. Our growth is because of we have got a very strong marketing organization, having 1,500 field force working tirelessly in the field and increasing the sale and adding to the growth of the company, and because of that we have grown. We have got the best and largest manufacturing capacity in the country. We have started two state-of-the-art pharmaceutical manufacturing unit at Daman. I can boast that they may be one of the best in the country, and they will produce the best quality in the country. We believe in research and development, and we have a greatest plan to go in for, we have got an ambitious plan to go in for research and development, and we are going to invest 25 crores rupees for that. We believe in bringing new molecules, and we have been successful bringing new molecules first time in the country, and that has helped us to bring it. We are very fast in introducing new molecules, and we have been very successful. These are the reasons why Alkem has grown so fast.
The remarkable growth of Alkem to a present position of the most admired pharma company is solely attributed to Mr. Samprada Singh's dynamic leadership. The senior management team who has been with Alkem has been untiringly working for the development of the company. The company's corporate management team has been constantly in touch with Mr. Samprada Singh's advice and who has been taking the instant decisions. The senior management team consults with him and takes instant decisions. To know more about Mr. Samprada Singh, let's go into the detail and find out the remarks from these corporate and important personalities.
Our MD, Mr. Samprada Singh, is a great visionary. Basically, his vision only has propelled this company to this height. In fact, he always emphasizes on the culture and the kind of family atmosphere he has given to all of us. Now, that is one of the reasons why this company has come up to this level. And more so, basically, he has been always a great inspiration for all of us in achieving great heights, newer heights, and is very focused on people. He has been emphasizing on this for years together, since I have seen him for the last 15 years, wherein I have seen him focusing on people, and he has given liberty to people to work freely in an atmosphere where people can at least express their own views and can use their own mind.
One of the most fascinating things about our managing director, Mr. Samprada Singh, is the enormous levels of energy which he possesses. In fact, even at the age of 73, many of us feel that he has more energy than many of the young people around him. And that is what drives this company towards achieving greater heights. The second major factor which supports the company is his ability to take risks. In fact, we have learned to take calculated risks and made a great success in the pharmaceutical industry, and that is why Alkem figures among the top league of the pharma players. In addition to this, our managing director has taught us the ability to build trust and to build relationship with the people and with everyone who has come in touch with this company. In fact, this message of his has touched the lives of so many people that many people within and outside the organization have greatly benefited by the charm of Mr. Samprada Singh.
To list the most important attribute of our chairman and managing director, I would like to list the following. Firstly, his humbleness. His down-to-earth nature has made him dear to practically every member of the Alkem family. Secondly, his risk-taking abilities. I have never come out from his cabin without an yes, even for the most riskiest proposal that I have taken to him. Finally, he is a positive man. Under any dire circumstances, in any environment, he is always thinking positively. And these three attributes I consider as the most important thing of our chairman and managing director to take Alkem today where it is.
It's my pleasure to mention that we all are committed to achieve a sale of 1,000 crores by 2004, which is the vision of our respected CMD, Mr. Samprada Singh. He has always been a dreamer, a fatherly figure for each member of Alkem family. One of the reasons of our success is that he has been inspiring all of us from the beginning, from the inception of Alkem. No doubt we have a team, a very dedicated team in all the affairs, and all are convinced today that Alkem has to be on great height. Alkem has to be among top 5 families. What is important today is how Alkem will perform after 2005. Members of Indian pharma industry have shown their strength. Alkem will not lag behind.
It is our commitment to achieve a sales of 1,000 crore by 2004, which is the vision of our CMD, and that will do by introducing new molecules, by exploring international market, by going into the field of bulk drugs, and by strengthening our distribution network.
Known our chairman and managing director Sampradar Singh for over 15 years. He has many splendid qualities, and it would be difficult for me to single out even any one of the qualities. If I try, he personifies 3 key areas: instant inspiration, instant decisiveness, instant leadership. He always received everyone with the warmth of a handshake, and consequently the hierarchical barriers came tumbling down. Secondly, like rapid chess, he always believed in taking very quick decisions, because he always felt that some decision is better than procrastination.
I count myself fortunate to be associated with MD for the past 23 years. It's been a wonderful phase in my life, and when I look back, I enjoyed every moment of my working with him. What I picked up from him is his qualities of how to keep cool even in tense situations, and also to take prompt action. And most of all, I would love to say that I have found a father figure in him. He's always been pleasant, and I could never ask for a better boss than our MD.
It's easier to speak about this illustrious man for about an hour rather than crunching it to a minute or so. As soon as you meet him, you're simply disarmed by a genuine smile. A smile that's mesmerizing, enchanting, disarming, and yet in its own way, very, very innocent. A smile that makes us believe that sky is indeed the limit, and it's possible to reach it.
To speak about him, few words. He possesses so many good qualities. So number one is that he believes in big ambition, that everyone should grow, every organization should grow. And he has always been helpful to everyone, whoever has come closer to him.
A definite vision and a policy. We believe in giving import substitute medicines at the most reasonable price, so that the benefit is directly passed to the patients. That is our vision.
Our CMD is a very effective motivator, and one after dealing with him will be totally energized and charged. He is a down-to-earth person, and he has seen life very closely.
One of the remarkable qualities our chairman and managing director, Mr. Sampradar Singh, has is that he could quickly visualize opportunities and implement it with great vigor. This foresight is principally responsible for the rapid growth of the company.
Mr. Sampradar Singh is a visionary and great man.
His greatness and the quality cannot be expressed in words. He is a great human being who treats all the employees of the company as a family member. He has very strong leadership quality and fast decision-making capability to take the decision in any adverse climatic conditions.
Back to the glorious past, Mr. Samprada Singh vows to lift Alkem, a 1,000 crore company, by the year 2004. As he says, Alkem has to stake its place in the highly competitive environment. And our corporate vision is to make Alkem a globally recognized entity in our chosen core field through innovation as well as strategic alliances. And he views the most formidable corporate strength is his people, and therefore continual building of an environment allows each individual to realize his full potential.